Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to Happy at Home. Today I am sitting out on my porch because the lighting in the house is terrible since we have a storm rolling in. Hopefully I can get done out here before the storm hits. It's looking like I don't have very much time. And hopefully, can you hear the thunder? Hopefully it will not be too noisy in the background. But anyways, so today I'm going to take you around my house and show you how I have styled the thrift store Thursday finds that I have been finding the last month or so. I did not get a chance to style all of them because I have been going a little crazy lately with the thrift store items that I've been bringing home, but I have quite a few to share with you today. So first of all, I will give you, whoa. I think we're in for a doozy. So in this video, I'm not going to be doing any chatting. I'm just going to give you a close-up view of each item that I used and then show you where I put it in my decor. And I didn't do a whole lot of redecorating per se. I just kind of added things here and there around my house to what I already had going on. And it's a really nice way, an easy way to quickly like refresh the area without having to take everything down and start from scratch. I have to say my hutch has the most focus, and that is pretty much the way it always goes because that is where I decorate first most of the time. So yeah, I guess that's it. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so that should give you a pretty good idea of what I do with all of my thrift store Thursday finds that I bring home with me every week. I know a lot of you have expressed interest in seeing how I style the items from the thrift store, and I typically try to do a video like this once a month, but the last couple months I have not been very good about that. Life has been super busy. So I'm hoping to get back into a once a month schedule for this type of video. So if you enjoy this type of video, let me know down in the comments, or give this video a thumbs up so that I know that this is something that you would like to see more of in the future. And oh, it's getting closer. When I first came out here, there were still blue skies, and now it's all gray skies and a lot of lightning and thunder in the distance. So it's coming in fast this morning, which is not good for my daughter. She's supposed to be going to the beach with her friend today. Thinking they might have to reschedule. So anyways, just a little side note. So once again, thanks for stopping by today. I appreciate you spending some time with me today, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.